Today we're going to replace the battery. Come in and you're going to find where to pop your hood. You are going to find where your battery's at. This battery looks like it's in great condition. Okay, first you're going to take the battery hold downs off. 3 quick tips about handling batteries. Don't drop them because the acid will leak. Don't get them near sparks because the hydrogen could explode. And don't get a wrench between the terminals or you could get a nasty burn. Pretend new battery!
Imagination.
Now you might have to get a close-up of down here. See where that hooks on. Hooks on from the inside out, not the other way around. And this goes in. Right, that seems really there. That's better. Nope. Now we have more room to work with here. Why does that seem so weird? Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're done. It's a battery. You have to make sure that anything that is not reset is reset. So I'm going to try the radio. It says code. So most of the time a code is written or kept in here. Sometimes if you push the power button twice, nope, that's not going to do it.